Okay, it was time for a final test on the Cossor. Well, it's really just a final demo. I had this on for 2 days solid last week. Performed flawlessly. You can see I've got it turned on at the moment. I've just got the volume down. It's on the lamp limiter, but I mean it's drawing current. It's a 60-watt bulb, so no issues there. And I'll flick it across to main bulb in a minute, but you can see the magic eye is working. Let's just turn it up a bit. Yeah, we're in VHF, so it's decided it doesn't want it. Let's go with bypass. Magic eye is working lovely. Now with the aerial for FM, what I've done is I've used the old wire that came with it, this stuff, and I've just put a couple of banana plugs on the end, and I've just tied it up in a knot there and just gone out with 2 pieces, a bit like the one that you get in some of these modern sats, but some.
For him to kind of see that childhood that I'd had here.
This really works a lot better with that aerial than that little bit of wire that was with it. I mean, it's fully tuning on every decent station, even the weaker ones. So that's not a very strong station, but still receiving it well.
Cornwall, at the start of your message, if you're going to WhatsApp me, you've got about
Radio
3 minutes,
Cornwall.
and I'll give you the answer. There's nothing in this world. 5 seconds, which one? What's this quiz round?
Radio 1.
Before the famous. Oh.
Classic FM coming up. Absolutely bang on 100 where it should be. That's a bit of Bolero, I believe. So in the back, I've got the my long wire antenna hooked up. I've just got it hooked up to my ATU here. So we're going to try medium wave first. And let's make sure we're on the right one for. Medium wave, just tuning that up. You can hear the noise comes up and down as I tune. Let's just try that one. It's probably the best there, really. So let's have a quick tune on medium wave, see if we can find anything. That's the inner button. There's a couple stations doubling now.
Dismissal with sweep shots. Better. Averages 75 with sweep shots. Grey long sleeve jumper, dark blue baseball.
Whoa, that's receiving very nice.
Look at the hole, a very deliberate backswing, and then through he goes on its way. Now he's not.
Okay, let's try the other end of the pan.
Rory McIlroy coming to the end of his.
Very nice. Lovely tone on it.
And also the cycling and indeed the Open.
It's picking up all sorts of stuff. Wow.
Making sure we pack tea bags, sniffing out the best places for a full English, and being able to use our phones on holiday without worrying about additional costs. With no roaming fees across the EU and beyond this summer, with Tesco Mobile, you can use your phone exactly how you...
Amazing. That's all on medium wave. Let's go long wave. Okay, seems about the same tuning. So we should hopefully see 3 stations on here. Hello, there's a beacon there. Whoa. Well, those of you that can read Morse, I don't know what that one is, but I've never heard it here before. It's another one. Around about 900 meters by the looks of it. Just over 900 meters, 920 maybe. So we should be coming up to some stations shortly.
Hillgrove Hotel in Monaghan and any of the Radiocruncher hotels in Athlone, Cork, Limerick, Sligo and Gurteen. No, there's one in Gurteen.
Whoa.
You can see the full array of summer offers available
That's
across the I Knew It collection.
RTE,
Ireland.
Ireland.
iKnew.ie. Here's your...
Whoa.
Turned the odd one, which you'd expect for any wrist spinner. 3 of the wickets to fall to him. This one's in the air, but well clear of channel.
Wow. That's receiving very well. Okay, so finally let's go shortwave. This should be fun. Now, is that this light interfering? No. But something is. There's always something interfering with it. Let's try turning some of these off. No, none of that. Oh well. Let's have a tune through shortwave then. So I've got it on the right hand side of the scale, which looks like 49 meters, and it tunes down to about 16. It's probably about 15 meters up to just over 49, something like that. 16. Anyway, so let's have a tune through, see if we can find anything apart from interference. What am I on? Probably need to be up there somewhere. Something there. Just let me see if the arrow's in the back a sec. Okay, well it is in the back.
I will get your home. It is 3,385 meters. So if we're worried about the pain
Just trying to think.
of experiencing
19 meters. What's that?
you can go to Mean Shoe first before you develop your trip into Lhasa or Chicago.
It's gonna be.
Higher in altitude, so you can start with
That's better.
to get yourself.
Again, this is best done in the night time really, but there is stuff around in the 90 meter band.
Bunlar hakkında talebi.
Nostra sportivość pe internet, mai exact pe site-ul web rli.ro.
There's interference down there. So there you go. It is all working. So let's I've taken it off of VHF now. Let's put it back on medium wave then for a minute.
Very much. So McIlroy remains 5 under with just the 18th to play today.
Still within
So we can mess with the tone.
the lead, and I'll draw.
So this is maximum bass.
There, another wicket has gone. At Lord's
Really
End.
bassy.
Yeah, this is another case of England batters getting started
Less
and then
bass.
getting out. Liam Livingstone.
Minimum treble.
Loves the pull shot, particularly off Hardik Pandya.
Medium
He
treble.
bowled 1 for 6 over backward square leg, then
Maximum
1 for
treble.
4, and then another one going for the big 6 over square leg.
I
and
think
this
personally
time
it
caught
sounds
by the server
better in
showing,
that
off the
position.
bottom of Hardik Pandya. So well done to
But
Hardik.
yeah, it's come up really
identifying
well.
that as the
Really,
shot to
really
go
well.
for. From his point of view, he was at 33 of 33.
Giving it a
England
bit of a
are,
clean up as
I mean,
well.
they're 148 for 6.
Well, giving it a lot of a clean up actually. You can see the top's nice and shiny now. Cleaned all the front, all the knobs are cleaned. Oh, I turned the light off now. But there you are. The Cossor. Yeah, it's been a bit of a journey. This one, a fair bit of work, but lovely, lovely radio. So thanks for watching that, and see you again soon. Bye for now.